Okay, so let's take a quick look at our example. So here we have the same two points we used on the distance. We got segment AB and we got segment CD. So let's find out what's the midpoint of segment AB. So again, we read out our givens. So we have A is at -3, 2, and B is at 0, 3. Right, so I'm going to use A as my x1, y1, and B as my x2, y2. So I just write out the equation. X sub m equals the sum of x1 and x2 divided by 2. Y sub m equals the sum of y1 and y2 divided by 2. It's just the averages. So then we can substitute in. Again, rewrite the formulas, rewrite that template, and then just plug things in. So if we're looking for the x's, that's -3 plus 0 divided by 2. And for the y's, that's 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So when we're looking at the calculator, we can come in. We just hit this A over B button way over here, all the way to the right. So that's going to give us our two things, the numerator and denominator. So we can just add the parentheses and then divide by 2. So we set up the template. So now we can come back in and go, okay, well that was -3 and 0 for x. -3 plus 0 is 1.5. Right, so if you're looking at it and the answers are as a fraction, or if it's telling you to leave it as a fraction, this button right here will change it to a fraction. Right now we're going to leave it as a decimal. So that's -1.5. So what about y sub m? So again, I can come in here, do the exact same thing. Make it the fraction, set it up, add the 2, set up my template. Then I can come in, plug it back in. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So we get 2.5. So that means my midpoint is -1.5, 2.5. -1.5, 2.5. We are just finding the averages.